Hi, are you tired of a dry, hacking cough that just won't go away? Don't worry, there are natural remedies that can help alleviate your symptoms. 1. Honey has natural antibacterial and antioxidant properties that can soothe a sore throat and reduce cough frequency. 2. Lemon is high in vitamin C and can help boost the immune system and alleviate a dry cough. 3. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help reduce throat irritation. 4. Steam can help moisturize and soothe a dry throat, making it easier to breathe. 5. Warm liquids, like tea or broth, can also help soothe a dry throat and reduce coughing. Try incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine to find relief from your dry cough.